Hi guys, we're going to try to recover an email. I'm going to actually tell you how I try to cover my email. Fortunately for me, I got it back. Maybe I was maybe a bit lucky, you get, because the password that I used, I tried over 50 passwords. Yes, I gave up after I gave up back in 2 months ago. Then I tried. Then I got a password that I use. Okay, so I'm going to try to explain to you different ways of how I try to recover my Gmail, and I think it may help someone to kind of find ones which can work for you. Okay, now when you're recovering your email, first of all, is you may have to try to use um, the password that you remember. For example, when you go to log in, of course, I can say, let me assume that you know your email. Okay, you know your email. I know my email. Okay. Now, if you don't know your email, then that is going to be a bit harder. Maybe you can say forgot email, but I'm assuming that you know your email. Okay. I know my email. I knew my email, but I couldn't find uh, my password. So, for those of you who don't know their emails, I think this video may not be for you. Maybe there you can try to say forget email, but I assume you kind of know your email, how your email looks, but you're having a problem finding the password because that was my problem. So that is what I'm going to kind of discuss in this video in the next 1 or 2 minutes, I think. Okay, so you put I tried to put my email, then I said next. Okay. So they told me to put a password. Now this is something which I did. I first did this thing like more than I think 10 times. Okay, when I failed, I went to Google. I tried to search how I can get in contact with Google. Forgot Google password. I think I searched something like help. Okay, I had to go to this link. This link kind of sometimes changes. So what you do is I recommend you just search. In case there's a new link Google releases, you can easily click on it. So when you click on it, how to recover your Google account or Gmail. They will tell you, some stuff. Um, if you forgot your password, they will send you, kind of a link. If you forgot email, okay, that stuff. Okay, so I went to this because I was trying to find who could kind of help me to contact to kind of get help. So I think I went to this. They'll tell you what's your email. So I entered this email. Okay. My email is this. I think let me just type it. I'm trying to do again how I struggled. Okay. Because some of these steps can really work for someone. So this is a link for Google Recovery. If you need this direct link, I can send it to you because sometimes this link can be enough for some people. So I kind of did next. And here they will tell you enter your password. Now I don't know my password. That's the reason why you're trying this. So I didn't bother here because this is I tried more than 10 times. So I said, let me try another way. Okay. So to help your account, Google needs to confirm the account belongs to you. To recover your account, try again, sign in or answer as many questions as you can. So I kind of tried to say, try again. And it's funny. I just do this video later with Anchor, actually.